Have you ever wondered why, when you change one array variable, another variable suddenly change too? It's feel like a magic or a bug. But the truth is because arrays are reference data type. So in the next few minutes, I'll explain this concept so clearly that you will be very convinced and you will be never getting confused with the arrays. Let's break it down. So basically, arrays are reference data type. So a reference data type doesn't store the actual data. Instead, it stores the memory address where the data lives. So this means that multiple variables can have the can point to the same array in memory, right? So that is the thing is that the multiple variables can point to the same array in the memory, right? So basically the arrays are created in the heap memory and the variables store the reference, that is the address, right? So no actual elements are there. So basically the arrays store the reference, right? Here, okay, so it's very important to know, uh, basically arrays are non-primitive data type. Okay, now let's quickly see the behavior of the arrays here. Okay, so basically the arrays are behaving like objects in Java. So now let's quickly move on to the example here and let's see what the arrays behave like. So I'll go to the Eclipse and I'll say array example. I'll create one class array example and I'll write this. I'll take on the main method as well and click on finish. Now I'll write few lines of code here. I'll declare one array, integer array, int square bracket arr1. I'll assign some values here. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll close the curly brace and I'll declare another array, integer array arr2, and I'll assign the reference of this array 1 to the array 2. Okay, and I'll simply say arr of 2 is 99. Now, can you guess the output if I want to print this out? ARR of I'll simply I want to print it out ARR of 0, ARR 1 of 0. Okay, I'll save it. I'll run it. Can you guess the output? I'll run it for you. C. Run as a Java application. Now see, the array ARR1 of 0 is output is 99. But we haven't changed the value of array 1. Right? This is how the array behaves. This is how the array behaves just like an object. Okay. So we have copied the reference of array 1 into the array 2 and they both are pointing to the same memory location. So when we modify the array 2, the array 1 value also will change. So that you need to keep in mind. Okay. So that is very important concept from interview point of view. Now Let's move further. So you can see the memory diagram visualization here of arrays. Arrays are basically non-primitive data types. You know this. Uh, Inside the stack memory, you can see that the array 1, array 2 have the same reference, and in the heap memory, both are pointing to the same location, right? So reference is copied, the same memory location. So that's why the both are pointing to the same. So remember this, arrays don't store the values in variables, they store the references. Understanding this one concept can save you from many of the programming bugs in Java or any other programming languages. So uh, it's really very important to know this, right? If this video helped you understand a better, make sure you like the video so that it reaches the more learners. And if you're learning Java step by step, subscribe to the channel because I'll be posting more videos uh, related to Java concept in a simple and a practical way. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.